It's another Merry Christmas with the Merry Christmas cheer. Here comes my crazy in-laws to eat my food and drink my beer. What a dysfunctional family. What planet are they from? I feel I've been abducted every Christmas when they come. I just want to sit here and watch this football game. Don't need those stupid bastards driving me insane. It's another Christmas with the Christmas thrills when I file a Chapter 7 on my f***ing Christmas bills. Look at all those Christmas presents, and I paid for them all with a different credit card in every store throughout the mall. Now Uncle Fred is drunk again, that means that he'll soon go right out in the front yard to his name into the snow. What a sight for all my neighbors, offended with no doubt. I wanna stomp my feet, I wanna shout. It's a three-ring circus every f***ing Christmas. That's what family Christmases are all about. And it's like that every year. Those kids vandalized my nativity scene, and it's looking kinda scary, 'cause Rudolph with his nose so bright is f***ing Mother Mary. I am bound to be arrested for the display that I own, so kill those lights and disconnect the phone. And have a very Merry Christmas. I gotta have this family Christmas. I wanna spend this Christmas alone.